We're back once again at Camp Nou with fresh updates and solid progress across the stadium. From new slats being installed to major structural advances in the south and north goal areas, there's a lot to show you today. So let's not waste any time. Come with me as we start today's full update right now. Work continues in the south goal area. New slat supports have been installed, including the previously missing upper left support. Workers are finishing tasks from lifting platforms. Brackets are fully installed at all levels and fixed to the pillar. False ceiling supports remain in place below. In the adjacent sector, bracket joints are still pending and must be installed before adding supports. Most supports in the south goal are already installed, with only one remaining unfinished. The area is almost ready for anchor installation. Slat installation has started in the corner and is expected to continue next in this section. Similar progress is visible in the north goal center. A nearby wall remains partially unfinished and covered with blue tarps. New slats are already installed in the south goal corner. The number has increased from 1 to 3, with more expected today. Multiple lifting platforms and tension cables are being used to align the slats. The installation here follows a diagonal layout. Another platform is rising, indicating further slat installation soon. Concrete work is now limited, though a pump remains on site. A new slat is being lifted, showing a slightly different color tone. Slat installation continues steadily, gradually covering more areas of the stadium. Moving toward the lateral area, slats are being installed in the false ceiling. Several new slats are already placed in the lower section, while the bracket area remains unchanged from last weekend. 2 lifting platforms and a crane are ready to install more slats. Many slats are staged nearby, suggesting strong progress this week. With no midweek match at Camp Nou, this section could be completed soon. On the left side, additional glass panels have arrived. These will likely be installed in upper areas such as VIP and hospitality zones, which are difficult to film from ground level. More prefabricated staircases are visible, and the crane is preparing to lift another slat. In the corner area, the tower crane appears to be lifting prefabricated seating to the upper overhang. Below, structural elements remain unchanged, including small pillar-like components, similar to the compression ring, but smaller. Large prefabricated components delivered last week remain stored on site, awaiting installation. Before reaching the north goal, the panel ramp area shows clear progress. The wall is now fully free of formwork panels, and the ramp, along with both side walls, has been completely concreted. This section is finished. In the north goal corner, some workers are on break while others continue working. Slat supports here were installed earlier, and the area now appears ready for anchor installation. Large amounts of prefabricated seating are stacked and ready for the third tier, which has advanced rapidly in recent weeks. The change by the next match is expected to be dramatic. Work also continues on upper beams using lifting platforms, especially in future elevator areas. From the tribune store balcony, many prefabricated seating elements and staircases can be seen arriving daily. The escalators remain unchanged with only a blue tarp installed. Drywall work has resumed after rock wool installation, and panels are being reinstalled to cover exposed sections. More seating sections are rising in the tribune, while workers continue daily tasks on nearby ramps and railings. In the diamond area, temporary elements have been removed, and recent excavation and repainting work is visible. Rock wool installation continues inside, and painting is underway on beams and walls now fully black. No major changes are observed here, and work continues steadily. That's all for today's update. If you enjoyed this progress report, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a single update on the stadium's transformation. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next Camp Nou update.